does happen. And I've been known to be a bit fidgety with my song selection when I'm driving. This does, causes me to weave a bit, and I should be looking at the road, obviously, instead of my radio. I have CarPlay now, so I don't have to look at my phone. But still, I do fidget a little with things. I can weave at times. This is called failing to maintain a single lane. But just because you weave a bit, that doesn't give the cops the right to pull you over, because you have to affect other traffic. That's kind of the way this works. For example, in one now famous case, there was this officer following a car on I-75, I think, but noticed the car went over the right-hand line 3 times. Nobody was on the shoulder. No other cars were affected. No safety concern whatsoever, just weaved and 3 times over the line. Now, as you've come to expect with these situations, we wouldn't be talking about it except the car was searched. Felony drugs were found in the car. So the appellate court, though, they threw out the drug conviction. They said this stop was illegal because there was no evidence that failing to maintain a single lane, this didn't create any sort of safety concern. If you don't have a safety concern on stuff like this, don't pull the car over. That's the famous case I'm talking about is Crooks v. State. We call these Crooks Motions in defense lingo. And anytime an officer gets hyper-technical, but it turns out that sometimes, in fact, they never should have stopped the car. Therefore, the drugs or the DUI, whatever resulted from that stop, it's gone. It's thrown out. And it's a beautiful thing.